What? Yakisoba! Thank you.
What?
Wow, meron pang pouch.
Hanapin mo dyan.
Dali yung yakisoba.
Pikisa
Grabe
tayo.
naman.
Favorite kasi ni Daddy.
Kakain ka.
Oh, ganda naman ng card mo.
Naka-pouch
Open
pa nga eh.
Ka-pouch pa.
Open it like a potato.
Parang potato chips eh.
Ah, parang potato
Diba?
chips.
Tama
Ang
yung
galing.
likod. Oh, in detail.
Ah, ang galing.
Daddy! Daddy,
Information,
you get that
ingredients.
sticky
Ang galing ah.
So,
May
let's
barcode pa.
get
Tiga.
na ano.
Wow,
Wow.
dami.
Hindi nagpadain.
Thank you. Thank you, Ate Wo.
Aww.
Alam ni Ate Wo. What?
Ah, potato chips naman pala. Napaka ano mo naman artistic mo.
Galing naman.
Father's Day edition potato chips.
Ba't puro
Astiga.
chocolate? Galing naman.
Napaka-artistic ni George, ano?
Oo nga. Saka may plastic talaga sa loob.
Ang galing ah. Parang ano.
You find the one
Father's Day edition potato chips. Astiga.
But some of them has message. Some
Alak na.
Hindi pala totoo.
it's not you.
Akala ko totoo.
Messages.
Looks like potato chips ah.
It's not real pala.
Ano meron sa loob?
You tricked me,
Some
George.
of them has message.
Some of
May
them are
message
true.
naman pala
No,
eh.
no, some of them has
Not
message.
true?
Some of them has message. Some of them.
Wow.
One of them is something you really, really like that I will be doing to you in the night that you always request. Pinapag-agawan niyo ako ni Mommy dahil.
Wow, nice apple. Ito,
Balon.
mga botete. Balon pala. Sorry.
Mali. Patingin.
Kasi pag nakabaliktad na ganyan botete.
Parang iba itsura.
Ganyan, balon. Best dad ever.
Patingin.
Oh! Free 1 hour massage from George.
Wow, that's the best.
That's the best.
May bayat na ako.
You are my king.
Wow, you're my king. Aba, may drawing pa. Cute naman. Napaka-sweet talaga na.
May crumbs. Wow.
May, saan na crumbs?
Ayan.
Ah, may crumbs pa. Galing na. Para talagang
Wala
potato
na.
chips sa
Wala
astig
na.
ah.
Very much, baby.
Pero hindi yung nag-isip sa presyo na. Uy, pinaghirapan ni Zoe. Ang tagal niya yung ginawa.
Yeah. Let's. Sabi ni Ate Wo, thank you for caring for us every day. You provide for our family.
Daddy!
You go through stressful nights just so you can make us happy. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you so much.
Hindi ka awayin na ngayon, Dad.
What? The money?
Yes, it's 50.
Thank you. Kasi wala na daw akong money.
Ay! Kawawa naman si Daddy!
Thank you, baby.
Anak, ang ganda ng t-shirt mo. Putok na putok.
Wawa naman. Happy birthday, Daddy.
It's a Father's Day.
It's a Choco Mucho.
How did you know?
I can see it from here. Hi, thank you. 5 hours?
Wow! What, 5 hours?
Yeah.
Grabe naman yung 5 hours.
That's an awesome gift.
Wow! 5 hours.
Alam ko di
patingin.
magpapatalo sa atin mo. 10 hours yun. Wow! 10 hours massage.
10 hours.
And this is, I think, M&M's. I know from the Huggies. It's M&M's.
Obviously.
Obviously.
Happy
birthday, Daddy. I love you so much. Here's 10 hours massage. Record that, ha? 10 hours massage.
Aba, 10 hours pala sa'yo, Zoe. Napakabait mo
Hindi
naman.
magpapatalo sa atin.
Hindi pa pakaboga, no?
Thank you, kids. Thank you, my sperms.
Sperms ka.
Thank you, my sperms.
Sira ulo ka, Daddy.
Daddy, you can open
This is all my sperms
Daddy,
together.
you can open it. Daddy, open it.
Thank you.
Daddy,
This is
open
my
Oh, sige,
eldest
rip it.
sperm. And this
Rip
is my
it.
youngest sperm.
Break it.
Break it.
Break it. Yeah, sure.
Because you're my youngest sperm.
Gasper. Tigilan mo na nga, Daddy. Kadiri ka. Kadiri.
Yeah, you're all my sperms.
M&M's
Choco! It's Choco Choco!
Wow.